Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into QuickBooks account. What is QuickBooks Online? QuickBooks Online is a popular cloud accounting software. It's made by an American company called Intuit, and it's specifically designed for small businesses. To log into QuickBooks, go and click open your web browser. In the URL box, type in quickbooks.intuit.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of QuickBooks. Now, soon after you do that, go and click on the Sign In button in the upper right corner. To log in, a pop-up window will appear as soon as you do that you can sign into your account with your Google account, or simply enter your email or username option. Also, your phone number option. Let me go ahead and click on email or user it option. You can type in either your email or user it. The choice is yours. Now click on sign in. You will be taken to your next page where you can type your password. Make sure to type the correct password into the password text box. Double check your password by clicking on the eye icon in the right corner. If you don't remember your password, then you can click on email a code to your email address at the bottom of the pop-up window, and you'll be able to reset to a new password for your QuickBooks. Finally, click on continue. Wait for a few seconds and you'll end up in QuickBooks homepage. That way you can quickly log into your account. If this helped, don't forget to hit that like button, share with friends, and subscribe for more financial tips. Until next time, keep growing your wealth, one step at a time.